Hey, lovely one. Welcome to IT Hub 360. This is where you get all your tech updates and your tech info. Stay tuned as I tell you what I have discovered this morning as I woke up. My phone is actually always on auto update, so I wake up to new updates and I'm like, whoa, long awaited, because I already knew I would get any update that comes ASAP. So today I woke up to a new WhatsApp look and I'm like, this looks nice. So I want you to update your phone or your WhatsApp ASAP, and let's see if you are going to get this phase of WhatsApp. Well, I hope you would do that, and make sure you do that because I'm actually loving the new phase of WhatsApp. It's very good, it's nice, and it's already on iOS. So iOS users, I don't know which kind of updates you are having now, but personally I use an Android now and I'm loving how my WhatsApp is looking. Anyways, I'm going to be on WhatsApp all day long because I'm loving how it looks like. Stay tuned for more updates. This is IT Hub 360. Don't forget to comment, like, and also share. Bye bye.